Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about the Museum of Oriental Ceramics, Osaka. The Museum of Oriental Ceramics Osaka (MOCO) sits by the water in the Nakanoshima, Osaka. It is one of the biggest museums in the world for East Asian ceramics. It's right next to Nakanoshima Park. The area is quiet with a river and many trees. You can enjoy the art in a relaxed way. It's a great place to visit during a day of sightseeing. The museum opened in 1982. It has about 6,000 works. Most of them are ceramics from China, Korea, and Japan. Two of these works are national treasures. One is the oil spot Tenmoku tea bowl. It was made in a Song period. Inside, it has shiny spots and it shines like a rainbow when you look at it from different angles. It is shown in its own case, so you can walk around it and see every side. The other national treasure is the celadon flower vase. It's a beautiful vase with soft blue color. In April 2024, the museum reopened after about 2 years of building work. The new entrance is made of glass and it's about 7 meters high. Through it, you can see the green tree outside. The display room uses natural light. It is soft light. You can look closely at the colors and shapes of the ceramics. Inside the museum, these are bright cafe called Kitonari. From the cafe, you can see the Dojima River and the Osaka City Central Public Hall. It is a nice place to rest after looking at the earth. The museum is open from 3:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is closed on Mondays. Please note, from August 3, 2026, the museum will close for a long time for renovation work. If you want to visit, it's a good idea to plan early. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.